Hello, this is Gabrielle again. Today we will introduce some OSMO Pocket Adapter. Wow, you can see there are so many OSMO Pocket on the table. Maybe you can find the useful one for your OSMO Pocket. Okay, guess what in the carry bag? Let's see. Well, this smartphone mount. This is stem is triple, and this OSMO Pocket. Okay. Okay, we have mounted on the OSMO Pocket and the smartphone. You can see when we're shooting, we can hold the stem as like this and shooting. It's very good, and this set is very cheaper. Okay, you can see this is backpack mount. Let's put the OSMO Pocket into the mount and then connect this backpack mount. Okay, so like this, and we can mount it on the backpack. Okay, the next we will have the gimbal protector. They have one gimbal protector. This one is PGY brand, and this one is Sunny Life. This one, maybe the PGYTECH is more high quality, but Sunny Life one is the price will reasonable. Let's test the gimbal protector on the OSMO Pocket. Okay, it's fixed. When we can put it in the carry bag, so it can protect well our OSMO Pocket lens and gimbal. Okay. Okay, this one is the gimbal stand for OSMO Pocket. We can put the OSMO Pocket on the table. This is very good for our long time shooting. Okay, let's introduce the OSMO Pocket filter lens. It's PGY brand. There is the whole set. It includes the ND6 and ND8 and CPL. Okay, that is very good. Okay, this one is the cap for OSMO Pocket. We can mount it into the car, so we can mount it like this. Wow, it's very solo type. This one is bicycle mount. We can mount the OSMO Pocket on the bicycle. Yes. Okay, the last one, let's introduce this extender port for OSMO Pocket. It's very useful because it also can be a triple stem. Yes, let's mount the OSMO Pocket into the extender port. Yes. It's very good for shooting. It's like a handheld gimbal. Dun, dun, dun. The last one is this very high quality carry bag. Okay, and also it can put so many adapters with OSMO in this carry bag. Let's see what is in the carry bag. OSMO Pocket, fifth lamp, triple, and front mount, and stem. Also, it has so many space to put other accessories. Very nice carry bag. Okay, we recommend so many exact here for Osmo Pocket. Did you find the useful one for you? If you have any question, please contact us or welcome to follow our YouTube channel and Facebook. Thank you.